Alright, I think this is one of your homework problems from earlier. So let's go over this as our warm-up. So you are given that this side is parallel to this. So that means this triangle here is, this little yellow triangle is similar to this big blue triangle. So we need to set up the ratios. So the small side here is 36, and this side here corresponds to this side here, so I can say 36 over 96 equals, and this side here is -4 plus 4x divided by the length of the long side there is 64. Okay, now I could have used, instead, I could have used 27 over 72 also, because that ratio gives me the same, and I can even show you. 27 divided by 72 gives me that, or if I have 36 divided by 96, it gives you the same thing. So the ratio of 36 over 96 and 27 over 72 gives you the same thing because these triangles are similar and the ratios should be the same. Okay, so now that I've got the ratio here, I can cross multiply to solve for x. So now I've got 36 times 64 equals 96 times -4 plus 4x. Okay, I can multiply 36 times 64, and I get 2304 equals, and then 96 times -4 gives me -384 plus 384. Okay, and now I'm going to, forgot the x. Right, 96 times 4x gives me that. Alright, so now we're solving for x, right? So I'm going to get rid of this, I have the opposite sign, so I'm going to add 384 on both sides. Okay, and that's going to make that go away. So 2,304 plus 384 is going to give me 2688 equals, and then that goes away, and then equals 384x. And then the next step is divide both sides by 384, and that's going to make that go away. And 2688 divided by 384 is going to give me 7. So we end up with x equals 7. Okay, so now let's talk about angle-angle similarity. So if two angles are the same, then the triangles will be similar. If two angles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. And I'm just going to use my protractor to show how this is true. So I'm going to draw a straight line. Okay. So let's pick an angle. Let's just say I'm going to make this 25 degrees. So I can go there, and I've got, here's 20, here's 30, so 25 degrees. So I can draw a line here, and this is 25 degrees. Okay, now let's make another angle here, and let's make this, so I'm putting at this dot here, I'm going to line up this line there, and let's make this, I don't know, 50 degrees. So I see the 50 here, I'm putting a dot, and then I'm going to connect to this. And so that's 50 degrees. And so here is my triangle here, right? I'm just going to trace it so you can see what's going on. So this is 25, that's 50, and now I'm going to make a similar triangle. So I'm going to, down here, I'm going to draw another line. But instead, I'm going to make the bottom side this length here. Okay. So it's clearly this side is much shorter than this. So from this here, I'm going to measure a 25-degree angle just like I did here. So if I go here and line that up and do 25, here's 20, here's 30, so here's 25. Okay, and I'm going to draw a line from this dot here to there. So I just made a 25-degree angle. And at this dot here, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go up to where it says 50 and put a dot. And then connect that dot to the end here. And so that's 50 degrees. And this triangle, it even looks the same or similar to the orange triangle. So if I've got 25 degrees here and 50 degrees here, then by angle-angle similarity, these triangles are similar.